Is your laptop getting overheated? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If your laptop constantly overheats, we will explain what causes it and how to fix it. Method 1. Keep your laptop clean and dust and debris free. If your laptop constantly overheats, the first thing you need to do is clean it. You need to clean the vent and, if possible, clean the fan as well. The dirt can be easily cleaned using a thin brush. Make sure that you don't damage your laptop in the process. Once it is clean, please take steps to maintain its cleanliness. This includes keeping it away from the window, not placing it on a dirty table, and more. Method 2. Do not use unauthorized charger. If a laptop's charger's jack fits your port, it doesn't necessarily mean that you can plug it in. Do not use a third-party charger to charge your laptop. This also includes not getting a charger from an unknown vendor. Doing so will not just damage your battery in the long run but can also cause overheating. Method 3. Kill redundant programs. Open Task Manager and look for processing running in the background. If it is not essential and you do not need it, right-click on it and select the End Task option. Also, go to the Startup apps. Go to the apps that will high impact and then disable them. This way, they won't launch at startup and keep your system clean. Method 4. Buy a laptop stand or keep your laptop on a hard and flat surface. It is recommended to purchase a laptop stand for your device and use it whenever possible. Laptop stands ensure that your device is placed at the perfect angle, allowing your fan to operate without any hindrance. If you prefer not to use a stand, place your laptop on a hard, flat surface. Placing your laptop on a cushioned surface prevents proper ventilation. Method 5. Avoid using your laptop in a hot room. Understandably, using your laptop in a hot room will cause overheating. That is why you see most offices and even computer labs fully air-conditioned. Even if you have to work in a hot room, try to make your room a little cooler or sit at a slightly cooler place. Method 6. Get a laptop cooler or cooling pad. Laptop coolers and cooling pads are used to keep your device at optimal conditions, especially when running intensive tasks such as playing games, compiling graphic-intensive codes, or editing videos. You need to invest in a good quality cooler. Do not skip the quality. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.